7:59 a.m.
Enertion Raptor, R-Spec, Ghost Wheels. Damn, it's just been so long since I've actually really done anything with this. I went to go power it on because I thought it was going to need to be charged, and what does that say right there? 90%. This thing's been sitting for months, and it's at 90%? I thought I was going to have to charge it, so I did, because I grabbed the remote, and the remote was dead. It's probably all charged up by now. I can't even remember. It's been so long. I can't remember. Does the light go green when it's done charging? I'm going to leave it on that charger for a couple more hours. How is this thing at 90%? So I've actually had my eye for quite a while on this company called One Wheel, which, again, I'm always late for the game, but there is kind of like a thing about this Raptor right here. I don't know. I don't think I can let it go. If I get a One Wheel, I'll probably just have to get a One Wheel. I don't know.
A few moments later.
So I actually did decide to go ahead and throw my Raptor on a charger. You can see right there it is charging. When you turn it on, I actually just stuck it on. And literally it's already at 96%. And when I mean that I just plugged it in, I mean I just plugged it in. It's already at 96. So that also goes to show you how good of a charger and the quality that actually went into this Enertion Raptor 2. And the other thing too that was kind of, I guess, an unknown was, how do I know when the charger's done charging? Well, I guess when the red light goes out. So I guess that makes sense. That must mean that the remote is now fully charged. So one of the things I'm actually going to do, part of being president of my HOA, we just had some road repair done, and let's go take the Raptor 2 for a little spin. We're at 98%. Safety first. I am going to wear my helmet, just in case I wipe out. I mean, it has been a couple of months, and I'm no skateboarder. God, this thing's a tank. I forgot. Now, in case people don't know, the procedure for setting up the Enertion Raptor controller is you switch it on. You wait until you see the flashing green light, right? See it flashing? Give it a full forward, a full back, and then go ahead and switch on your board. Wait for it to connect full green. Look at that. Boom. Look at that. Wow. Thing's a beast. Like I said, it's been a while since I've been on this board, but it's like literally that second nature. You kind of I don't know, it's kind of like riding a bike, right? What I have to do is to get some patchwork that we had done over here, and then right here, this drain, this was supposed to be a rebuild. So that's what's nice about this board. Just take it for a quick little ride. What I want to do is take my camera and then dig it down in there and make sure that they actually rebuilt it. Kind of not liking the way that's looking and the way that's looking. This is kind of looking kind of junky here. This isn't looking all that great. See how this is all like crunchy gravel, and it looks like that piece was actually ripped up? Man, I don't know. Maybe it's alright. I'm not a cement guy, or I'm not a paving guy, but I don't know, in my mind, this isn't really looking like, I don't know, how I expected it to look. I guess, I don't know. And it looks like they took the shit and stuck it down in there. It looks like they took the remnants and actually stuck it down in there, like concrete and everything. So, yeah, I'm gonna have to have a look at this, because if they think that they're leaving that pile of concrete down there, I'm gonna have to check this out. Now, see, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my GoPro Session Hero 5, which is on a, you know, one of those extendable sticks or tripod or unipod or monopod, whatever the hell you want to call it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take the camera and I'm actually going to stuff it down into the hole. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. So I'm going to extend the reach like that. All the way, right? Clip it up. And then I'm going to take the camera. I'm going to shove it down into the hole. And that way I can get a 360 down in there and at least get a good view of the work that they had done, supposedly, you know, rebuilding it, which it does look rebuilt. It's almost as if I think I'm seeing issues too, though, so yeah, we have to get a look in there. Now right now what we're doing is we're looking at the pipe that actually goes all the way over to the other side, and we can see a clear path through. I think the only thing that I'm really going to look at, let's get a look at this. So the only thing that I'm not liking about what I see concerning this repair is now I'm going to tilt the camera, if I can, tilt the camera like this, and let's get a view of all the crap that they left. This is all like concrete and garbage and junk, extra tar that it looks like they left in there. So I mean, how do you figure that's a job? And that's all part of the job, being the president of the HOA.